Namaste and hi everybody. I'm Ritika Raghav and I hope you're all doing very good. So very often I get these questions that Ritika, how do you shoot these pictures? How do you create these videos? Since I personally make a lot of videos and I post on Instagram, be it for dance or for any topic for that matter. They all ask me that how do you really plan everything? What do you do about your wardrobe? What about the location, etc. So many things. So today I finally decided to make a video on this and give you all an outline of what you need to focus on, especially when you're shooting things by yourself or at home or any location that you've planned to shoot in. So without delaying it any further, let's get started. So to make it easier for all of you to understand, I'm going to explain all the details or the factors that are important for shooting anything, keeping a reference shoot in this video, which I had done a while back. It was a sari catalog shoot, which was done for my personal use because I wanted to practice basic catalog poses and काफ़ी चीज़ें हैं जो अलग होती हैं, जैसे catalog के poses are very different from what we normally do. So I wanted to practice that and I wanted to make a video जिसका final result इस वीडियो के end में देख सकते हैं और इसकी pictures भी मैंने Instagram पे release किए हैं so that you can follow me there and stay updated through my account. So the first thing that I do before any shoot is create a mood board.
Basically, in a mood board, all the details are mentioned in a brief manner in the form of a picture, from styling to outfit to makeup, jewelry, the kind of hair that would be required during the shoot, and even the location, thereby making it easier for the shoot to take place on the main day.
So if the mood board is done, if the mood board is ready, 90% of the work is done. Because on the final day of the shoot, you just need to focus on how you're performing in front of the camera and yourself, of course. So the next step involves creating the look. How do you really create a look? There are various ways. Pinterest app, Amazon, Myntra app, ये सारे काफ़ी apps हैं, sites हैं और काफ़ी जगह हैं जहाँ पे आप you can see a lot of models wearing salwar suit, sari or any outfit and they are having different kind of poses. You can always take a screenshot of what you like and you can store it in one place so that in future you don't lose the idea. You can always go back and refer. So what I personally prefer is the Pinterest site because वहाँ पे सब कुछ मिलता है. So Pinterest is one app that really helps all the newcomers also because you can always learn some new poses, experiment different looks and do more shoots by looking at the references because Pinterest has everything and anything that you want. You can always type on the search button what you really want and you can take the screenshot of that accordingly and refer to it whenever you want to do it. So अब तक आपको realize हो ही गया होगा that planning is extremely important, especially when you're doing a shoot all by yourself or at home or at any location that you particularly decide for yourself. Once the mood board is done and the look that you want to do is finalized with all the makeup, the clothes and everything, you can start focusing on collecting these items. It is not always necessary to buy everything. You can always borrow clothes from your friends, from your sister, mother or your dad, anybody, because jugaad is one best way which I always suggest you to follow, especially when you're doing a shoot by yourself at home. So the look that I wanted to create for myself required long hair. तो आपने अब तक notice कर ही लिया होगा जो मेरे बाल हैं वो काफ़ी छोटे हैं. So what I did was I used extensions. One of the best way to work upon, especially when you're doing a shoot. Cheat work is always fine, especially when you're doing a shoot at home or by yourself or anywhere for that matter. And why not if it accentuates your look, right? So काफ़ी लोगों ने मुझसे पूछा भी था ये आपने extensions कहाँ से लिए. So for that also I am attaching the link in the description. I got it from Amazon and I'm not lying. Those have been very useful for me for every shoot that I do, and if I want long hair and if I want voluminous hair, I can always add it. The final step involves location recce. Finding the correct location that goes with your look, the most appropriate location that really highlights the pictures and the videos that come out at the end of the day. So what I particularly do is that I go outside and search for locations that go with my look a day prior to the shoot. So that final day पर कोई hosh posh now, and final day पे I just concentrate on what I need to perform and how I need to perform, right? I personally use a camera for all my shoots and for my videos, which is Canon M50 or Canon M200. Because I really like the quality of the videos and the pictures that come out, and it gives a professional touch. But it is not necessary to always have camera to shoot. You can always shoot from your phone camera, and what you need to keep in your mind is the light. The light is the most important factor in any shoot. If you're shooting at home, you can have external lights like ring light or even studio lights that I personally use when I'm shooting at home. इसका भी link I'll add in description below, because a good light transforms your pictures and videos. Apart from that, natural light is always the best. So light does all the magic, and you don't need to worry if you don't have a professional camera, of course. So there is this one thing that I've always been asked, that Ritika, who really clicks your pictures and takes your videos? So it's my father who takes all of my pictures and videos for all of my shoots, and my mother and my sister, they assist me. So my family is all involved in it, and I'm truly grateful for that. So it's really good if you have somebody assisting you, because teamwork is always great, right? Otherwise, you can always shoot yourself using a tripod stand. So these are the basic things that I personally keep in mind before doing any shoot. And I hope that it gave you an insight and it helped you, and you personally got to learn something from my experience. I hope this video was really helpful for you, and you got a little insight of what really goes behind when you're shooting, and what are the basic things that you need to keep in mind when you're shooting by yourself at home or anywhere outside. So yeah, do watch the final video, result video at the end. And yes, please do like. Do let me know your views in the comments section. Share these videos with your friends who are into modeling and who wish to know about these things. And also, please do subscribe to my channel for all these updates. Thank you so much.
See baby, ma, italaga madavatena, guru pemaka patalena, duanari manahari sukumali numbatama. Italaga madavatena, guru pemaka patalena, duanari manahari sukumali numbatama. Manike mage hite.